must be here because you heard about Roku and the new update they just did with Apple Airplay. So you can take your iPhone and mirror your image to your TV. So whatever you're watching on your phone, you can throw it on the TV with a push of a button. We're going to run you through a couple steps, so let's go. Now, in order to use this feature, your phone and your Roku must be connected to the same network. If you're one of our clients, it already is. So let's grab your iPhone. So I'm going to use the Disney Plus app as an example. So I have my phone. I'm going to click on the Disney app. So I clicked on that. It's going to open up. Now I'm going to get the Disney home screen. And I'm going to pick Home Alone as my movie to watch, to AirPlay onto my TV. So I click on Home Alone. It's going to open up this next screen. Now I already watched it, so it says resume. Yours can say play or resume, so let's hit play. Okay, now this next screen, tap on the screen and this will come up and it's going to display the Apple Airplay icon. I'm going to click on the Roku. After you click it, it's going to have a spinning wheel on the right side. Now it's going to connect to your TV. Now let's look up at your TV. It's going to be displaying what we just played from our phone. Now you're ready to watch your movie. Enjoy. It was that easy.